Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. It looks like today we're going to be doing puzzle number 96. If we start with this row here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing 7 and 8. I don't see any help. So 7, 8, 7, 8. If we look at this box, we've got 1, 2, we're missing 3, 4, and 8. We've got a 4 here. So 3, 8, a 3 here. So 4, 8, and a 4 here, and an 8 there. So that means this is our 3, makes this our 8 and 4. Finish out this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. That 8 makes this our 7 and 8. If we work on this row then, we've got 1, 2. We're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 7 and 3. For this box then, looks like we're missing 3 and 5. We've got that 3, so 5 and 3. For this box, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 and 9 here, so this is our 7. And 9 here, so 8, 9. For this column then, it looks like we're missing a 1 and a 6. We've got a 1 here. So 6 and 1. And for this box then, we're missing a 3 and a 4. We've got a 4 here. So 3, 4. For this row, looks like we're missing a 2 and a 3. And I don't see any help. So 2, 3, 2, 3. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got an 8 here. So 5, 7. 7 here. So 5, 8. And an 8 here. So 5, 7. And that means the only place our 8 can be is here. If we look at this column, we're missing a 1 and a 5. We've got a 5 here. So 1 and 5. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3. Oh, we've got this 5 here, so that would make this our 7 and 5. So again, 1, 2, 3, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here. So 6 and 4. For this row, looks like we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7 and 2. That 2 makes this our 3 and 2. So for this box then, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we're missing a 7. For this box, looks like we're missing a 3 and a 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3 and 6. For this box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, we're missing a 9. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got a 4 there. So 8 and 4. For this box then, looks like we're missing a 3 and a 7. We've got a 3 here. So 7, 3. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 9 there. So 5 and 9. And for this box then, we're missing a 1 and an 8. We've got a 1 there, so 8 and 1. All right, that'll do it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.